In this area, we lose power a lot, but especially after Hurricane Irene, I lost everything in my basement. When the power went off, the sub pumps stopped and the basement filled with water. Without a generator attached to the house, and you have sub pumps in the basement, you lose all your freedom. You can't go out. You can't travel with confidence because if the lights go out, your basement's going to flood. My experience with the standby generator now has been absolutely fabulous. I don't have to worry. When the electric goes off, the generator kicks in, and no difference at all. In a minute, everything goes back on and starts working, and that's it. 2 days ago, I went to leave for work, and I walked outside, and ba-boom, a transformer blew. 30 seconds later, the Generac generator started, closed the door, and I went to work with confidence because I knew my basement wouldn't flood because I can rely on it 150%.